Hi, I'm Danielle. Let's quickly explore how to use pre- and post-assessments in Education Perfect to measure student progress. Step 1. Start by clicking on a unit from Discover. Click on the unit and select a pre-built assessment from the menu, then press Assign. Step 2. Assign it to your class as usual. Step 3. After your students complete the pre-assessment, review the results to identify areas that need focus in the Classwork tab. Step 4. At the end of the learning cycle, or as a midpoint check-in, assign the same or similar assessment as a post-assessment to measure progress. Step 5. Once the assessment has been completed, you'll be able to compare results to see how your students have grown and identify areas of need that remain. Thank you for watching. Visit www.educationperfect.com for more tips.